Welcome back to today's video on timeless investment gold. Many investors are considering buying gold amid rising global economic uncertainties. This video discusses gold prices, the economy, and gold investing benefits and downsides. Expert guidance, other investment options, and why now may be a good time to acquire gold. Understanding gold investments. Gold, like real estate, has always intrigued people. Man is said to have fought all wars for gold, territory, and women. That should show how important gold has been for millennia. Gold can cushion market volatility and economic instability as a safe haven asset. Pros and cons of gold investments. First, let's talk about the pros. Gold can help diversify your investment portfolio, reducing risk and volatility. Safe haven asset. Gold is often considered a safe haven asset during times of market uncertainty or economic instability. Potential for growth. Gold has the potential to grow in value over time, providing a hedge against inflation. Now let's talk about the cons. Limited upside potential. Gold typically has limited upside potential compared to other investments, such as stocks or real estate. Maintenance costs. Gold requires storage and insurance, which can add to the overall cost of ownership. Taxes. Gold is subject to capital gains taxes, which can erode returns. Is now a good time to buy gold? To understand what is probably happening, we need to look at geopolitics. The conflict in Ukraine appears to be a distant and remote battle to the majority of people worldwide. However, it has come to cast a long shadow on the entire world. There are several reasons why now is a good time for gold investors to consider buying gold. Here are a few of them. US situation and its effect on the world. Headwinds are now affecting the US. The world realized the dangers of dollar weaponization after it froze Russia's dollar assets after the Ukraine war. That prompted the search for currency alternatives. Countries are pursuing bilateral and international currency trade. This might become a dollar issue. 3 US banks have failed due to run-ons and mark-to-market losses of government assets due to the interest rate increase. Short-term treasuries yielding above 5% PA are a better investment than bank accounts or FDs due to high interest rates. All contribute to a worsening banking crisis. Delinquencies are rising due to higher interest rates and commercial real estate vacancies. Banks will suffer again. Slow economic growth could lead to a recession. Government borrowing is high. And debt payment costs are rising. All of these may hurt US equities and other assets. Smart money may move to gold, real estate, shares, and other assets due to US issues. Inflation is high. High inflation has been one of the biggest news stories in the country for the past year and a half. In September, the annual rate of inflation was 3.7%. While that is lower than the peaks we saw recently, where the rate of inflation topped off at 8.9% in June 2022, it's still higher than the Federal Reserve's target of 2%. When inflation is high, your investments can actually end up losing money. If the inflation rate is 5% and your stock investments are only going up by 4% year over year, you're actually losing purchasing power. Gold is thought to act as a hedge on inflation, though, as its value tends to go up with inflation. Gold has a stable value. Gold has long been a popular investment. No matter what occurs in the world, it may retain its worth over time. Those who don't want to be left out to dry should consider gold. Other investments could tank and lose a lot of value. Diversification. Diversification is essential to portfolio strength. If the stock market falls, you could lose a lot of money, with plenty of time for the market to recover and you to profit. It may not be so awful for young people. For the investors who don't always have that time, they need their money to keep their worth. Thus, holding part of it in gold may safeguard you from downturns. Liquidity. You may need cash rapidly. Say you require urgent medical care or must travel at the last minute. Gold's incredibly liquid. You can sell it immediately and get cash. Other investments, like stocks or bonds, require market participation. So, yes, now is an opportune time for anyone to consider investing in gold. With high inflation, gold can act as a hedge, protecting you from the erosion of purchasing power. However, how much one should invest in gold is a factor of one's personal situation and financial needs, which a SEBI-registered investment advisor, RF, will be able to advise. Some final thoughts. So, what are you waiting for? Seize the opportunity to explore gold investments. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on timeless investments. Happy investing!